A wonderful tool to use on Google Chrome is the Google Translate website. To go there, you would just open up your Chrome browser and in the web search bar, type in translate.google.com. And there are a few different features you can do here. You can directly translate from one language to another with text, so you could type text in. You could also copy-paste text from another document or another site. And then to get the translation, if you wanted to hear it, you can click the little microphone and it will talk. You can also copy the translation. You could suggest an edit if you think there's something you need to change. So it's one cool feature, and you can, again, specify the languages here. So this is the language going in. This is the language it will translate to. Another neat feature is you can actually translate entire websites. Now, this does not work for every website, but for some websites, you can actually translate it. So to do that, you would go to the website, and then you would double click up in the bar so that the whole website's highlighted, and then copy it. So Control C, then go back to Google Translate. In the input box, you're going to paste the website, so Control V, and now you have a new website over here. If you click on this link, it's going to open up a new website, but within a Google Translate filter, and you will see now everything on this website, because I have it changed to Spanish, is now translated. So that is a nice way to translate an entire website. Again, this doesn't work for all websites, but you can always try it and see what happens. And then if you want to go back to the original website up here, you can just click original, and that will take you back to the original website in the original language. So that is another really neat feature, is that you can actually translate an entire website. The other cool feature that you can do is you can actually translate a document. So maybe a teacher shared a document with you that you need to put into another language. You can click document, and then you're going to upload the document to Google Translate. So that means you will need to make sure you've downloaded the document onto your computer. And you can see that it accepts all kinds of different documents, including PowerPoints, so slideshows, and PDFs, which is how a lot of teachers are going to share. If they share a document, it's either going to be a doc, a PDF, or probably a PowerPoint Google Slides file. So click Browse Your Computer. You're going to find the document that you want to translate. I want to translate the Sea Otters article. Click Open. And so now I'm going to click Translate. And you can see now it's translated that entire article into Spanish for me. The translation may not be perfect. It is just Google Translate. It's not a professional translator going through. But if the English or whatever language it's being shared in is limiting your understanding of it, this is a great way to at least give it a try and open up access. So again, with Google Translate, you can translate text, you can translate a website, and you can also translate entire documents.